Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to install Fortnite as of this year, which is 2021 and moving forward. Alright, so in case you want Fortnite, this is an easy way to find the Fortnite app. This one will apply to any Android as well as Samsung devices, especially for Samsung devices. That includes Samsung tablets, Samsung phones, any version. Alright, so if you want to easily install Fortnite guys, it's as easy as this. So go ahead and you're going to find the Galaxy App Store or the Galaxy Store shown by this icon right there. If you cannot find it, you can go into all of your apps by going into the apps tree. Go ahead and search. It should be under your Samsung apps in a folder like this. Just like how you have Google, you have Samsung. Go into the Samsung folder. And of course, somewhere in the Samsung folder, it's usually in here. Not always though, guys. So go ahead and look through your apps. Should be somewhere around here. So if it's not in the Samsung folder, it should be by itself. Alright, so as you saw there, so I'm going to go ahead and select this, allow it to load. Make sure you have internet. You're going to search for Epic Games. So let me show you right here. If you search for Fortnite, you might miss it, so it doesn't come up as Fortnite. It's under the Epic Game tag. So if you go ahead and search Fortnite, you search Fortnite, notice it shows PUBG and it doesn't say specifically Fortnite, but it does say Epic Games. So if you search for Epic Games, it will come up. However, it's still Fortnite, as Epic Games are the developers of Fortnite. Alright guys, so as you saw, that was the trailer. You can look at screens and so on, but the key to installing is actually clicking the down arrow. So we're going to hit the down arrow. Notice it will say it's downloading. And there you go. Notice it's installing. Depending on your internet connection, it should take a varying amount of time. And of course, it's now installed. Let's go find it. There you go. Notice it's in here, guys. It says Epic Games. So go ahead and launch. And there we go, guys. There's more than one games under this banner, such as Battle Breakers. But the one you want is Fortnite. So go ahead and tap Fortnite. And there you go, guys. It's showing you to install Fortnite. So go ahead and hit install. Notice it says preparing download. Depending on the speed of your internet, should take a varying amount of time. And there's another way to install as well, guys. I have separate tutorials on those. I'm just going to show you that in 2021 you can actually download it directly from the store. Notice it's installing now. Forgive me. It says installing. Just want to show you that it's fully working. There you go. It now says launch. We can hit launch. Let's turn this to the side. Alright, so we have launched. Alright, so there you go, guys. Notice it's downloading update size. It's doing a 7.83 gigabyte update. It's doing its thing. And as I said again, guys, depending on the speed of your internet, it will take some time. I won't show you the entire process, but you do get that it's working fine. Alright, so I'm going to cut the tutorial here. So just to show you that everything works flawlessly. Depending on the speed of your internet, it will take a very amount of time. My internet is decently fast, so as you can see, I'm at 20% already. So probably the next few minutes I'll be up and running. Okay guys, so the process is finished. Big download, but of course you can see here you can now log in after the process is finished. Alright, so that's how to install Fortnite as of 2021. The latest and easiest method using the main store. So extra, guys, as you can see here, you have the Epic Games launcher, and now you got the Fortnite right here. So I Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time, guys. Bye.